So this is a Dell Venue 8-inch tablet. I did a video earlier about the unboxing of it and talked a little bit about the tablet. I did forget to mention on the backing on this, it's a pretty nice rubberized backing. It's pretty grippy. I like that. Also open up this keyboard. This is a keyboard that's meant for a Mac, so I'm going to just try and set it up anyway. It's a Bluetooth keyboard. These are going to be used in the field by field technicians. I don't think they're going to use the keyboard or the mouse that much, but it was part of the test case that we're setting up for these guys. So we're going to check this out, see how it works all together. I'm going to try to use this keyboard with it. I'm sure there's probably going to be some little glitches here or there. And we just got a really generic HP Bluetooth mouse to use with it. It's kind of monstrous. The real setup will probably have one of those little micro, super small mice to go along with it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump in here and set these up to attach with Bluetooth. Go to PC and devices here, under settings, go to Bluetooth. As you can see, it's a very responsive screen. I'm really pleased with how responsive the screen is. So I've turned it on, hit the connect button, and our Bluetooth keyboard just popped up here. Click on it, pair it. And we're connected, so just pop the code in, hit enter, and it connected right up. And jump back to the desktop here, which is why I'm thinking about it. Same thing with the mouse, just click it on, hit the connect button, mouse shows up. Pair it, and we've got a mouse now. Works pretty slick, really. I'm going to jump in here. We're going to pull up Microsoft Word. Let's make sure we're typing okay. Ah, that's interesting. Lost the connection to our Bluetooth keyboard here. So I had a little glitch there. The keyboard was not hooking up to the system at all, so I wasn't able to type on it. So I just went through the procedure again, reconnected it. It took a little bit of time, but I did remove the mouse from the Bluetooth devices to see if I could get the keyboard to work by itself. And as you can see in that really tiny print, it is working. So that's okay. It's a Mac keyboard, but for testing purposes, this is fine. We can get by with this to test this for the next few days and see if this is going to work out for the client. I want to see here if we run into the same issue. I'm going to re-add the mouse and see if the keyboard disconnects upon adding the mouse. There's the mouse showing up. Click on the mouse, pair the mouse. It's going through the pairing process. So during the process of pairing here, the mouse is hanging up. It's not showing that it's completely connected yet, but the mouse is working. I'm going to go ahead and mess with this a little bit and see if the mouse is interfering, and it is not interfering yet with the Bluetooth keyboard. Now there's no reason these two things shouldn't work together, so I'm going to mess around with it a little bit more, and if this turns out to be a problem, I'll post back and let everybody know that yeah, it's been an issue with this machine. We have a problem with it supporting both these devices at once. Part of the issue could be the Mac keyboard. I mean, a keyboard's a keyboard in general, but it's not necessarily a Windows keyboard. So just keep that in mind. But again, this is a little test case. We wanted to see how well these little venues work for field technicians. We wanted them to be able to type documents when they're in the car or on site someplace, but for the most part, they're going to be using this to access email, access drawings of sites, and access their client data wherever they happen to go. It's just basically a tool for them to connect real quickly through the internet connection on either the iPhone or the Android that they've got that's already company issued, and this will be a supplement to being able to use the smaller device. This will be better for a Visio drawing or for customers to sign off on a document, that type of thing. We've got the option on this. Let's see if I can get the touch keyboard to come up. You've got the option on here where you can draw on the screen, and it should do some text recognition. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe below.